Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on iPhone. So basically go ahead to your browser. It says if you don't want others to know that you opened their messages, you can turn off the read receipts by going to your settings, messages, turn off the send read receipts. So I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my settings, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into the messages, right? So I'm going to try to find the iMessage, right, or the messages. Click on it and basically scroll a little bit down till you find the send read receipts. And basically when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all convos. So once you toggle this one off, no one will be able to see that you read that message. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.